Why, you think today at the community club is just another Biasa day? Think again. Uncle Lim, his sneeze not small one, you know. Achoo. Suddenly, hundreds of germs fly everywhere. These germs, so drama, running amok. But wait, what's this? Auntie City whips out her trusty mop like she's some samurai hero. Young kids, they not playing water fight law. They got spray bottles, pew-pew like water pistols, ready for battle. Suddenly, time slow down. Grandpa Raj enters, giant broom in hand, looking steady and fierce. He moved like KungFu master, but instead of fighting people, he's fighting dirt and germs. Action music on. Everyone is KungFu cleaning dramatic mop swings, epic table wipes, spraying door handles with style. Whoosh, pew-pew, got sound effects some more, confirm action movie standard. From the germs' point of view, it's full panic mode. Ayo, run la, they shout, scurrying away as every surface gets wiped and cleaned. The more our heroes clean, the faster the germs disappear. After the epic battle, the heroes gather. Mop, broom, spray, all pose together like super squad. Caption appears, stay clean, stay strong, germs no chance la. Everyone from toddlers to uncles and aunties together shout, what-ah, hygiene power. Bobian must clean ma, but when we do it together, germs got no chance. Wah, so clean ah. Everyday heroes, everyday action, that's the Singapore spirit. Next time you pick up your mop, remember, you're part of the Germ Buster squad too.